Hey there guys, what's going on here, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, today we are playing Fallout 4 and I'm going to show you how to build, how to put doors on the sentry houses. A lot of you guys have seen this before. I think it was Wasteland Dover King that showed me how to do this previously. She used a metal fence. She does a lot of build channels. She's really good on her channel. She does Fallout 76 and Fallout 4. So I say you go check her out. But yeah, my method is slightly different. I'm actually going to be using the doormat glitch. And hi Travis, he's just going to interrupt me. Yeah, so that's pretty much what we're going to be doing here, okay? So let's have a look here, and I knew he was going to interrupt me again. Okay, so we're going to go into the build menu and we need to find the big block flooring. Okay, we're just going to place this just around here. Okay, now we're going to need a door frame. So go into the walls and find door frame. There it is. I think everyone knows this. Everyone knows this. It's been about 4 or 5 years, so everyone should know how it works. The build menu is very similar to Fallout 76. It's great. I love it. Let's look for a door. Actually, I want to put a nice door so it kind of matches with the yellow house that's got the power armor with the third. Let's have a look around. See what other doors I've got here. Okay, that's a door and a frame. Don't want that. Ooh, a nice brown door. I like that brown door. Let's put that on. Okay, so nice brown door. I think that'll go quite nice with the yellow walls. So now we're going to get rid of the door frame. Still out there. Don't need that now. It's all good. And we're going to select the floor and we're going to put it as close as we can, close as possible, just like that. Okay, now we're going to hold A button and bring it down. Probably everyone's seen this before, that at this point they get the metal fence in and use that to try and line it up. But I'm going to use the doormats. I find it a lot easier to actually work things in, because then you know that it's actually hitting the floor. And you might be able to hear my little kitten meowing, wanting for attention. But okay, it's not going to line up because it's not syncing with the floor anyway, so don't worry about that. Let's just go back and we'll press B, put it back into its default spot. It's alright. Okay, we'll try something. Yeah, what we'll do is we'll select the floor, put it back on. I don't think it's touching the floor properly quite as much. So what we'll do is we'll go and we'll select the wall and we'll just lower it just a little bit more. Hold the button. Here we go. Just a little bit more. Not so much. I think I've just lost my... Yeah, I just lost my doormat. What am I going to do? Okay, what I'll do is get some more doormat and I can put it on it. Cool. Alright. Yeah, it's all good. Right, okay, so we're going to just line it up and move that out of the way, don't want that. And we're going to select the whole thing. Oh, yep, there we go. Sometimes the camera goes a bit weird, but just put it on the floor, it works. Alright, and we're just going to put this over here, nice and steady, get it straight. Hello, Angel. And there we go. Nice in there. Okay, and that's it. And just open it up. It closes, opens up. You're just gonna close it right in front of what's his name, but it's all good. All right, so thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye bye.